Let's talk about coffee because it could either be helping you or quietly frying your hormones. Many guys will chug coffee like the first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And I used to do that as well. And yeah, it tastes good, it feels good. But here's the thing coffee gives you that mental jolt. It will even give you a quick testosterone boost along with the mental jolt. You may feel it physically. But once you hit cup number 2 or 3, now you're not boosting hormones anymore. Not the one you want anyway. You're boosting your stress hormone, cortisol. That's that's an enemy of your libido. Cortisol, no bueno. So basically, moderation is really the key, right? Drinking smartly, not just as a habit. And if you're still using sugar, ooh, just a teaspoon of sugar spikes your insulin. Your testosterone goes through a crash, and it flips your body now to fat storage mode. You don't want this. You don't want this vibe in the mornings, right? Not. I mean, yeah. And even a small sugar trigger, even a small sugar triggers inflammation. So take sugar totally out of your diet. Add ghee. Add ghee. It's fat. It's healthy fat. This is how I drink, right? I drink water. Sometimes I drink water first. I have my warm water first, and then when it's time for coffee, I add ghee to it. Why ghee? Well, this is ghee right here. Ghee is it's like putting a silencer on that caffeine. You still get the focus, but without the crash. The fat in the ghee slows down caffeine absorption, protects your adrenal glands, and it also gives your body the cholesterol that it needs to make testosterone. Remember, your brain is mostly cholesterol. Plus, ghee, it contains butyrate. That supports gut health. It lowers inflammation, and even helps to detox the liver. Try it. This way, you can get the effects you want from the coffee, that mental hit, with minimal damage to your system. All right, coffee has some good elements. I'm not gonna knock it, but in moderation. Moderation is the key. Small cup of coffee, no milk, no sugar, and you can use some ghee, a teaspoon of ghee, or some other healthy fat. If you want to drink it totally black, swallow a teaspoon of virgin olive oil like 15 minutes before your coffee. Coat your stomach. Don't drink coffee on an empty stomach, right? Don't drink coffee on an empty stomach. No bueno. Show this with a coffee drinker, and let's get healthy.